Unboxing the phrase, service box, a deep dive. Hello, everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're going to explore an interesting English phrase, service box. This phrase might sound simple, but it has various meanings depending on the context. So, let's dive in and unravel the different dimensions of service box. Service box generally refers to a compartment or area where certain services are performed or facilitated. This broad definition can apply to different fields, ranging from telecommunications to sports. Understanding this foundational meaning is crucial before we delve into specific uses. One of the most common contexts where you'll hear service box is in sports, particularly tennis and badminton. In these games, the service box is a marked area on the court where a successful serve must land. This use highlights the phrase's connection to rules and precision in sports. Another common usage of service box is in the context of utilities and maintenance. Here, it refers to a physical box, often found on streets or in buildings, which houses important electrical, plumbing, or telecommunications equipment. It's a crucial component for ensuring the smooth operation of various services. Occasionally, service box can be used metaphorically. In business or customer service contexts, it might refer to the range of services offered by a company. Understanding this metaphorical use requires not just knowledge of the words, but also an understanding of the broader context in which they're used. And that wraps up our exploration of service box. As we've seen, this phrase is more versatile than it first appears, with applications in sports, utilities, and even in metaphorical senses. I hope this video has been enlightening and helps you understand and use service box with confidence. Remember, language is all about context. Stay curious, and I'll see you in our next video.